So, walang mag-next. Sayang yung oras, walang mag-next. Next mo na, next nyo na. Paabutin ko yan ng 2 hours kung ayaw nyo mag-next. Misis ko kayo. O, sige. All right. Time's up na tayo. Enough na tayo, enough. Ha? Ito hours ko na lang. Bahala kayo.
Can you give me some money?
I don't have money.
I know you do.
I don't have.
I know you do. Yalla.
I don't have. Why you didn't ask your papa?
I know you do. Yalla. I might want to delay my marriage.
What?
I might have to delay my marriage.
Of course you did. You have to make it. You have to forget that things.
I'm not sure. Yalla.
I don't have here.
I know you have somewhere.
No, I don't have.
Yes, you have.
I have here before, but I don't have.
How much is this? Only 200.
Oh, give me back. Give me back.
Give me more.
No, only that one. No more.
I know you have.
I don't disturb me. I'm making live tea.
I know you have your line in it.
I don't have.
It's very important.
No.
I'll pay you back.
I don't have.
I'll pay you back.
I don't have.
I'll pay you back.
Close the door. Go out.
I'll pay you back. Yalla. I'll
What you will pay? You have work?
I play games.
Play games. I don't have.
I know you do.
Get out!
Yeah. I know you do.
I will ask your father after.
Go ahead now.
I will ask him tonight. Okay, thank you, Sir Date. Thanks for your time, for your support. Okay, sa mga gustong tumambay pa ng ilang minuto, 25. Dinagdagan. Ay, tama ba ako? Oo nga, tama. Makulit. Makulit yan. Sabi ko, ba't sa akin manghingi-hingi? Wala naman akong income. Ayaw man manghingi sa papa niya. Bali, ako yung bunganga niya. Ako yung voices niya. Kung anong gusto niya. Ako ang taghatid sa papa niya. Tapos ganun din yung papa niya. Pag may gusto sabihin, sa akin sasabihin, tapos ako ang magsabi sa anak ko. Ako yung, ang tawag doon, mediator. Pansinin niyo kung mas malaki bigayan sa frame, mag-premiering na lang tayo ulit. Sige, mag-try. Try ko nga. Ayaw mag-try, Marikoy, premiere. I-try ko nga siya. Alin ba yung i-premiere ko? Yung ano, tingnan ko lang. Try ko one time kung okay ba. O nga no, naka 2 years na yata hindi ako nag-prem. 2 years na. Anong tingnan mo? Oo, kailangan kung saan yung mabilisan mabilisang income. Gura-gura tayo doon.